YouTube, welcome back to another video with another. I decided to bring you guys back with another Porgy furnace video. Only 53 minutes until I'm all out of storage on this old phone. Get transferred to this new phone. Now the Google Pixel probably has more space than this phone does. But we're gonna delete some stuff anyway and send it to the new phone. Transfer it to the new phone. So I believe we should be able to do so. I don't know how to do a little screenshotting of this furnace. Show you some more interested in this furnace. So, and that furnace starts up. Oh, there it goes. Here's the inducer motor. It starts up pretty quick. No. Just get ready. Watch the blue flames turn on. Just mess around with this furnace a little bit. There it goes, the igniter. Oh yeah. Oh, there go the blue flames. Y'all see the blue flames? Yep. Hold on. There we go. Getting closer. Man, this furnace is hard to see the blue flames. I wish I can take this off where y'all can see the blue flames easily. Here's the logo. There it goes. Full furnace video. This is our water heater, Richmond. Here's the pipes that go to it. There you go. Got you a little nice furnace video for today. This is the water heater. And this is how a gas furnace. This is how this gas furnace works. It starts up pretty quick. Won't run too long. Wish it ran long cycles. Oh, it would be nicer to run a long cycle of this furnace. Like a whole hour running in heat mode. But yeah, there go the pipes that connect to it. Take a thumbnail picture. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. Oh, there it goes, it's shut off now. There, the inducer motor is off. Try to get y'all a little action with this furnace. But this furnace shuts off so quick. It runs a very short cycle. My furnace doesn't run short cycle. My furnace runs longer cycles than this furnace. Wait for the blower to shut off. There it goes. Alright, y'all. Go and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new to this YouTube channel. Go ahead and comment down below what you think of this furnace, because there'll be another one up later on today. Merry Christmas, everyone, and Happy New Year's. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.